cold.
And now, your first alert weather with WBRC Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt.
And my, how time flies. I was less than a mile from that tornado when it struck Hinton Place over in Tuscaloosa. What a day. Certainly much calmer out there tonight. The rain finally moving out. This is a view from Bessemer at UAB Medical West. 47, dew points at 46, and with that temperature and dew point closing in, the recipes coming together for some foggy weather later on tonight. So we want to give you the first alert. No rain, but back to the west, you can already see, even back in Arkansas, Mississippi, under dense fog advisories. And before the night's over, we may see some of those counties over in West Alabama included into that dense fog advisory. You'll notice our first alert fog detection here showing things in pretty good shape here through midnight, but after midnight and going through 6 o'clock in the morning, you can see some trouble spots possible back in here over West Alabama. So some of those roads, even into Shelby County, some of the data has been hinting 65 south towards Clanton, and then back in here, as you can see down Interstate 59 and 20, maybe some slowdowns tomorrow morning. So factor in a little bit of extra drive time. But other than that, we'll be in pretty good shape for the rest of the day. Just check the weather app, check in with Mickey and the traffic crew in the morning before you head out the door. I'm not too worried about freezing fog. I know that was a story last week, but when you head out in the morning, you can see temperatures there well above the freezing point. In fact, highs tomorrow will be close to 60 degrees. Not too bad with that sunshine in the mix later on in the day. Other than the clouds, well, looking pretty good here. We'll have a mixture of clouds and sunshine next 2 days, but the weather pattern remains very, very active. We're going to see another system take shape, that moisture lifting back in here as early as Wednesday night. So we want to give you a first alert for the next big thing here, rainfall Wednesday night. Yeah, I know it seems like Wednesdays, Thursdays, that's been the day here where we have one rainmaker after the other, but this is mostly rain. Not too concerned about severe weather at this point. In fact, we may catch a few breaks during the day on Thursday, so it doesn't look like maybe a total washout, still kind of dreary, but there will be periods of rain. It's one of those days you want to hang on to the umbrella, especially notice Thursday night into Friday morning. Also notice this. Notice how the arrows here pointing from northwest to southeast in this general direction. That's that cold flow taking over. That colder air spills in before all this rain moves out. And the models have been back and forth hinting maybe a few wet snowflakes mixing in before this tapers off. But for the most part, I think it's just all rain for us. And then it gets a lot colder as we head into Saturday morning. I want to give you the first preview here of Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, and just an early look at what we're seeing. Chance for a few showers, 63 for Christmas Eve, 62 on Christmas Day. So, hey, that's the way it works around here, right? Christmas time, it gets warmer. All right, let's go ahead and look at the hourly forecast. We have northwest winds at 4 to 8. Tomorrow, temperatures topping out right around 61. Again, a little foggy early on. Wednesday into Thursday, yeah, grab the umbrella. Looks like wet weather, maybe a few flurries. And actually, winter arrives on Friday. So we're going to be talking about a drop in temperatures as winter rolls in. Light freeze there early Saturday morning. Temperatures in the 50s for the weekend. And something really cool, really neat, Catherine, there's a comet that you can see. Comet 46P. I know you like to get out and look at comets.
Of course.
And check out meteor showers, things like that. But I'll show you how you can see it and where to look coming up at 9:30.
Good photo opportunity. All right,
There you
thanks,
go.
Wes. We'll be back after the break. Stay with us.
You're watching WBRC Fox